The idea isn't that illness means you're broken. Maybe it's energy asking for transformation. The invitation here is really one of integration.
Trust your body's intelligence. Trust your energy's intelligence. Let them work together. Healing isn't usually just one thing.
No, it could be meditation and your prescription, a walk outside and therapy, laughter and visualization, whatever supports your whole being.
Exactly.
Let's take a moment now to ground this a bit deeper. How about a short guided meditation?
Great idea. Meditation is such a powerful way to support healing on all levels, biological, energetic. It helps create that inner safety, that calm, regulates the nervous system, all crucial for healing.
Let's just take a moment now.
Just to come home to your body.
Remembering that healing doesn't always require striving. Sometimes it just asks for presence.
Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose.
Gently release it through your mouth.
Let your shoulders soften, dropping away from your ears.
Release any tension in your jaw.
Just allow any thoughts to float by, like clouds in a big, open sky. No need to grab onto them.
Now gently bring your awareness inwards to the center of your chest, heart space.
Just imagine or feel a soft, warm light residing there.
Maybe it's golden like sunlight.
Or perhaps a calming blue, healing green, or a soft rose color. Whatever feels right for you.
Just know that this is your light, your innate well-being. It's always been here.
Untouched by any symptoms, any stories. This light isn't broken. It doesn't need fixing.
It just wants to be felt,
Yeah.
to be acknowledged by you.
And with each gentle breath you take, just imagine this light softly growing. Expanding naturally.
Radiating warmth from your heart,
Outwards.
through your chest, your shoulders, down your spine,
Your arms.
down through your torso, your hips,
Filling your legs, your feet.
and gently rising up into your neck, your head.
Letting your whole being fill with this soft, healing light.
As you feel this light, just gently whisper to yourself inside.
You are not your symptoms.
You are not your pain.
You're not behind. You're not off track.
You are right on time, right here in this moment.
Feel the truth of these affirmations settling in, carried by the light.
I am safe to rest.
I am open to relief. I am supported in every direction, seen and unseen.
I don't have to earn my healing. It is already beginning, right here, right now.
that feeling, that light, just soak into your bones, your tissues, your cells.
Imagine it whispering a message of deep calm and repair.
We are healing. We are ready. We are loved.
Take one more slow, deep breath in, filling yourself completely with this light, this message.
Breathe out, releasing anything heavy, anything that no longer serves.
And gently, when you're ready, just begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you.
You wiggle your fingers and toes slightly.
Just take your time coming back.
Remembering that you are a healing masterpiece, always in progress.
You are never, ever alone on this journey.